This is Friday, and we're getting ready to take our first trek into the canyon. We're going to go down the Bright Angel Trail, and as soon as Patty and Susie get here, we'll be taking off. Tom is all geared up. Turn around, honey, so they see how you're geared up, carrying all the necessary supplies. Look at the horns. Where'd he go? Here comes the ram chasing his, yeah, keeping them together. Yeah. What a magnificent set.
Oh yeah, look at his pose. He's posing.
Yes. Here we are on the trail. We're getting ready to go through this small tunnel. I have my intrepid mates ahead of me. This is a little bit, yeah, go ahead. Again, we're up high on the trail. The goats all seem to have gone behind bushes to rest in the shade. We've come through the tunnel and we're looking out over the Grand Canyon. We're aimed at getting down to the trail down at the bottom here. Don't know whether you can see that, but it's down there. And so will we be sometime soon. Out on that ledge is a condor, which is an endangered species. There's other birds flying around, but the condor is just sitting observing. And we look up at the edge of this cliff, and it's sitting up on the ledge watching the activity as well.
And look how big he is in comparison to people coming through that little opening. He knows Patty.
Our condor was just joined by a friend. We're hoping they're not waiting for hikers to fall off the trail and expire, and then they can have a meal. They are truly magnificent. Here come the people coming down on mule, and at some point they'll catch up with us, and we're going to have to let them pass, and then we'll be walking behind them. Darn it. Looks like horses as well as mules. Here they come. We've decided we're just going to go off to the side and let them pass us. Beautiful animal. Good morning. Morning. And now we will be following. We have to move off the side of the trail again because now we have the mule train coming up that's probably bringing out the supplies that needed to come out. We've got a leader with 5 mules behind him, and then another set of mules coming up behind. Good morning. Hi guys. We've got another 5 mules plus the cowboy in the front. Good morning. Just fine. Hi! Good job, guys. Here they are above us. On the trail above. It only took them about 30 seconds to make it up there. It took us a little longer to get down, and heaven knows what it'll take us to get back up. Thanks, cowboys. Well, here we are. We found a restroom, thank God. We've been walking down for about an hour and a half. And we've decided, after we got this far and we're able to rest a little bit, that we're just going to forgo getting all the way down to the bottom. And we're going to head back up the hill, probably taking us 3 hours. We're just taking a small rest and looking back down at where we didn't get to, but there's the bottom of the valley. Sometimes you don't have to.
Okay, here we are on our way back up. We've started back up. We're 5 minutes into the walk up. We only have a couple more feet to go. I'll try to show you we're at the top there. See? We're almost there. Everybody's in good shape.
We're back at the top. It took every ounce of our strength to get here. You're looking back over the trail now that we came up. I see people going down. I'll give you another view of where we've been.
Look down there, so straight down.
Yeah. There we are again. Thank God. Thank God we're back up at the top. Just in the nick of time. I think it's lunchtime. Here we are. We're above our condors that are sitting on the rocks that we saw before. If you can see, there are two with sort of a valley separating the rocks that they're sitting on. Waiting for lunch.